Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack files into RAR or zip files on your OPPO Reno 7 by using RAR app. So in order to do that, we'll need to locate our files. And mine are in DCIM, camera, and there's a few pictures right here. So let's pick 3 of them and press this plus button right here. Now you can see a lot of settings that you can change. And the first one is to pick the name for our archive, and let's call it pictures. The next few options are to pick the extension for the file, and you can do it by changing the zip or RAR 4.x or just simply RAR. So let's stay with RAR 1. We can set up the password for the archive, and let's do it simple 123. And if we're not sure that we typed it in correctly, we can show the password or encrypt the file names if we want. Now press OK. And you can also delete the files after archiving or create solid archive. Now let's move to advanced, and you can change more options here. There's also more options right here. Now go to comments and leave any comment about your archive file. After all that, you can press OK and your files will be packed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.